Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Challenges and pitfalls of test data management. While test data management provides vital benefits for enterprise-level software development, they also have potential pitfalls. 1. Production cloning is slow and expensive. To obtain testing data, most organizations will pull data from production servers and then anonymize it. 2. Obfuscation processes add cost and complexity. As described earlier, user data is heavily regulated, even for internal testing, and requires anonymization. Unfortunately, the data obfuscation process adds complexity and costs to the development process. While the speed, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness of obfuscation are all improved with automated testing tools, a learning curve for relevant teams will still exist. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.